Hello guys, Softoni here, and in this tutorial I'll show you how to turn any modern video into a realistic old film effect with grain, scratches and vintage film vibes in After Effects. Let's get started! Alright guys, we're here in After Effects, and as always I have already created the final composition and imported this media 01. This is free footage from pexels.com. Of course you'll import your own footage, and now let's go right click to create new adjustment layer, and this is gonna be old film. You can type here whatever you want. Okay, select this layer, go here inside the effects and presets, and for the first one I will type tint effect. Let's make this video black and white, and this looks already cool. And for the next effect I'm gonna type here curves. Okay, also drag and drop, and here on the left side are blacks and on the right side are whites. I will do for the black sides just a little bit to the right side, and I will make this footage a little bit darker. It depends of course of your own media. Okay, this looks cool to me. And for the next effect, go back here inside the effects and presets. I will type noise effect and drag and drop onto our adjustment layer. I'll just close this for now. And for the next step, let's uncheck this option, use color noise, and for the amount of noise I'll do 25%. And this is already looking cool when we hit 0. Okay, and for the next effect, let's go back here inside the effects and presets. I'm gonna type exposure effect under the color correction, also drag and drop onto the adjustment layer, and let's animate here exposure. Hold Alt on your keyboard, then left mouse click, and I will type here expression wiggle 12, 0.3. And when we hit 0, we have this cool flickering here inside this final composition. Alright guys, now let's go back here inside the effects and presets, and I will find Gaussian blur effect, this first one, also drag and drop, and here for the blurriness you can play around. I will do 5%. And we have created this cool looking retro effect in just a few simple steps. Okay, let's add here another effect. This is gonna be posterized time. Type here posterized time. This one also drag and drop and change frame rate from 24. I'll do 12. And now let's hit 0. We have created slower video, and this looks awesome. Okay, for the next effect, go back here inside the effects and presets. This is gonna be final one. I will type CC vignette to make our footage darker on the edges, also drag and drop, and here basically you can play around with the amount. I'll do to around 130, and this is with and this is without our CC vignette effect. I will hit 0 once again, and we have created this vintage effect in just a few simple steps. Alright guys, now let's also create scratches here inside the final composition. I'll go right click to create solid layer, and I'll rename it FN for fractal noise, also full HD. Hit OK, go here inside the effects and presets, and I will type fractal noise effect, drag and drop onto new solid layer, and here let's make some adjustments. For the fractal type, change from basic, find here strings, OK, and for the contrast I will type 3000, and for the brightness I will do -60. Okay, for the complexity, let's expand this to 14. Now let's open up this transform, and here uncheck this option uniform scaling. For this first option scale width I will type 1, and for the scale height I will type 5000, like so. And for the next step, let's hit here toggle switches and modes. If you can find blending modes, find here screen, and as you can see we have created these cool looking scratches. Hit T for the opacity, I will lower down to 40. Okay, and now we will animate here evolution. Hold Alt and then left mouse click, and I will type expression time *50, and this is gonna be the speed of our scratches animation. And now when we hit 0, as you can see, this looks amazing. And guys, in just a few simple steps we have created this cool looking scratches effect, and this vintage video is looking amazing. And for example, this is without effects, this is original video, and when we turn on effects and everything, this looks really great. Alright guys, as always I hope you learned something new in this video, and if you have, hit the like button, and also if you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button and take a look at my channel. You can find a bunch of different tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay creative and bye bye!